Been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me then.
Previously on Mattie's Glam Life, I shared with you all some items that you can use in order to avoid shaving. If you are a person that suffers from hair bumps, this is the perfect video for you. Make sure that you check it out down below. He said the waist on fleek. What he said? He said the waist on fleek. Oh, he said the waist on fleek. What he said? He said the waist on fleek. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that all of my OGs that are subscribed here on the channel remember that. Okay. That was a viral moment, okay, if I do say so myself. But hey y'all, welcome to the channel. Today I have some great information that I wanted to share with you guys. I also wanted to share with you guys a drink that you can drink to burn belly fat instantly. With you guys, I ended up sharing this in a previous video, so make sure that you all check it out down below. I will leave it listed in the description box for you guys. And I'm going to share with you all some foods, as you all saw in the title, that can help with burning belly fat. So I'm giving you something that you can drink that can help with burning belly fat, and I'm also going to give you something that you can eat to help with burning belly fat. So now it is time to share with you all these foods that can help you on getting that slim waist, okay? Because you know, summer and spring is closer than you think, and we want our waists to be snatched, okay, honey? Snatched and ain't holding back, all right? So these are the foods that are going to help you on that journey. First up, I have beans. And now I know that a lot of people are probably going, Maddie, I don't like beans. They're not really my thing. But you want to make sure that you start loving beans at this point in your life, honey, because they have a ton of different benefits. And one of the things that they are beneficial for is for burning off belly fat. Becoming a bean lover can help you to lose inches off of your waist in no time. Beans are loaded with soluble fiber, which eliminates inflammation in your digestive system. Having chronic inflammation can increase your weight gain, which is one of the reasons why a lot of us pick up weight at a very fast pace, because we don't have anything that we are eating in order to prevent that. Beans are one of the foods that can help to combat and fight against all of that inflammation in order to give you that slim waist of your dreams. Number 2, swap your beef for salmon. Well, I know there's gonna be people in the comment section, it's salmon, it's salmon. I'm sorry girl, salmon. Swap your beef for salmon. It's a very big mistake to think that you can lose fat by just cutting fats out of your diet completely. It's not only ineffective, it's unhealthy. The trick is getting the right fats, getting saturated fats, which are typically found in meat and dairy. Swapping those fats for polyunsaturated fats will help you out on your weight loss journey. As I tell everyone, we need everything within our bodies. We need salt, we need sugar, we need everything in order to balance our bodies out, okay? So you want to make sure that your body is not lacking anything, that is not wanting for anything. And this is one of the ways to ensure that. You don't have to have beef in order to get in your protein and the different things that you need, but make sure that you get you some salmon. Ooh, now this is an easy sweet one that I know that a lot of you guys will absolutely love. Yogurt is next up on my list. You can lose a significant amount of weight by having 3 cups of low-fat yogurt daily. The yogurt eaters lost 22% more weight and 61% more body fat than anyone else in the group, according to research. You guys, yogurt is something that is absolutely delicious, and if you're someone who doesn't necessarily like yogurt, it's time for you to jump on the bandwagon, because this is an easy but simple way in order to lose weight. And it's very simple. It's nothing that you have to prepare, honey. All you gotta do is get you some yogurt, rip it open, get you a spoon, and dig in. Now, red bell peppers can also be beneficial for weight loss. Did you know that a cup of bell peppers has about 3 times the regular amount of vitamin C that is recommended for your daily intake? The great news is that vitamin C is fantastic at fighting against belly fat. So make sure that you load up on these delicious veggies. Hold on girl, I'm going to my kitchen right now so that I can get me some bell pepper. I'll be back after this quick break. Let me know down below in the comments section if there are any foods in this video that you will be adding to your diet in order to shed some extra waist weight. I would love to know, you guys. These foods work absolutely amazing for great benefits in your midsection, for getting off all that extra fat, and honey, for getting ready for this summer and spring weather that is getting ready to approach us. All right, we are getting those waists on fleek. And if you are still watching, comment down below, waist on fleek. And you guys, those are all of the foods that I wanted to share with you all. I hope that you all found something helpful in this video, something to get you on the path to getting the waist of your dreams, the body of your dreams, the everything of your dreams, because 2022, honey, we claiming it and we gonna get it. All right, let's work towards our goals. Let's stay encouraged and make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. I would love to have each and every single one of you all a part of the Glam fam. We're on the road to 30K, so if you could, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications.